TXU Energy's website offers a variety of electricity plans for homes and businesses in Texas, emphasizing flexible terms and renewable energy options. They provide savings and support services with features like seasonal discounts and satisfaction guarantee. The site also highlights their commitment to clean energy and customer service excellence, backed by numerous positive reviews. Additionally, they offer a mobile app for account management and bill payments. Let's check together how to sign to TXU website account. First, open up your browser, then type TXU Energy login. Then you will see the first results here. Click it. Now we are in the home page. Now we are seeing username and password section here. Type your username and type your password. Then click sign button here. You can click remember me button also for next sign up process. If you forget your password or forget your username, you can click the sections here for reset it. If you don't have an TXU Energy account, you can create one by clicking this section here.